I've personally worked with GoHighLevel and Zapier in 2025, and connecting them is a total game changer for automation. First, you want to set up a webhook in GoHighLevel. Just go to Workflows, add a trigger, and choose Webhook. Copy that unique URL because you'll need it in Zapier. Next, log into Zapier and create a new Zap. Pick your trigger app, Typeform, Google Sheets, or Calendly are popular, and select the trigger event, like a new submission or booking. For the action, choose Webhooks by Zapier, select Post, and paste your GoHighLevel webhook URL. Make sure your payload type is JSON and map your fields like name, email, and phone to match what HighLevel expects. Then, test it to make sure data flows correctly and hit publish. From there, your apps are talking to each other automatically. You can automate lead capture, appointment reminders, Stripe payments, and even CRM updates. Start simple, test, and gradually add more complexity. With this setup, you save hours every week and keep your business running smoothly.